Hello, I am Candy Sherwin, and I want to thank you for coming to my YouTube channel to learn this dance called Spicy Margarita Shot for Shot. It's choreographed by Miranda Mitchell. It's a 4-wall improver dance, 32 counts, and it doesn't have any tags or restarts. And my dog Scully is here to assist. Maybe. I'm going to turn around and get started. Okie doke. First thing we're going to do is we're going to move our this first step to this corner diagonal. You're going to start on the and with a little ball step. And 1, recover back, 2, turning triple. It's more than a half because you want to get to 6 o'clock. Left, right, left. Side mambo on the right foot, coming back to center. Side, rock, cross, and the same on the left. Side, rock, I said cross and it's no cross. Good, Candy. Side rock step, side rock step. Show you that with counts. You start on the and, it says and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. I'll do it on a side wall, see if it helps with footwork. So I'm going to bring it across on and 1, 2, 3, and 4, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay? Second count of 8, after you've finished your 7 and 8, take your right foot back into a coaster step, stepping back, step together with your left, step forward, step on your left and follow your right shoulder to a half pivot, left, turn, right. Now we're going to take 4 little walks, literally popping your knee. As you step on your left, your right knee is going to pop up. 5, and then you do the same on your right, pop your left. On your left, pop your right. On your right, pop your left. Now I'm going to do the same thing again at this wall, which is where it should be, and then I'll flip it around so you can see the footwork. Okay? So you finish your mambo on 7 and 8. Coasters with your right foot. Step back together forward, 1 and 2. 3, turn 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to do it sideways and see if that will help too. So you finish on your left foot, right foot's going to coaster, back together, forward, follow your right shoulder, 3, 4, you step on your left, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll go back to the beginning and I'll add that all together. Starting on that and count, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, turn at 3 and 4, mambo 5 and 6, 7, coaster back on 1 and 2, step left, 3, turn right, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, 8. So as you see, we're back at 12 o'clock for the third count of 8. You have just come all the way through, so you have your left foot free, right? You're going to take it on a heel grind, crossing it over. As you step on your left heel, you're going to grind it and step back on the right, turning a quarter, and 2 little heel switches. Left heel right, right heel left, and a right heel grind leading you into a half a turn. Right, back, switch, switch, and I want you to go ahead and step on that and count to get you ready for the next count. Okay, so let's talk about that. We're going to start from here. We have our left foot free. Cross your left foot over on the heel grind. 1, back, 2, switch, 3, switch, 4, and 5. Turn and switch, and bring it in because you want to step forward on your next one. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, heel 1, 2, and a 3, and a 4, half, 5, 6, and a 7, and an 8, and. Okay? I'm going to finish off the dance. Stepping on our left foot. As we step forward on our left, we're going to make a half a rotation following it. So as I step, I'm going to kind of prep my body out as I step left, start turning, and step back on my right, and as I do so, sweep this. So it'll look like this. You're going to go 1, 2, coaster step. Take a little V step, out, out, back together, right, left. So that's just out and together, together. So the steps on that again are, you step on the and, you're going to step on that left foot. 1, 2, coaster, back together, forward, right, left, right, left. Now, you're on your left foot, and this is your new wall. That's why you start on the ball step, because your right foot is free. You go to the corner and go, and 1. Does that make sense? Yeah? So let's go ahead and do that last count of 8 here, and I'll start the dance right there for you so you can see the transition. Okay, so here we go. You're just going to go on the forward on the left foot. You're going to step left, sweep, coaster, 3 and 4, out 5, out 6 together, 7, 8 and 1, 2, triple, 3 and 4. Okay, that's the whole dance. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to do it nice and slowly from the top, and I'll go on and do a couple of waltz. And remember, if you don't know this, when you're watching this on YouTube, there is a little gear or wheel at the bottom of the screen, and if you click on that, you'll see a playback speed, so that if you want to slow this down, you can slow it down or speed it up. I don't know why you'd want to speed it up, but you can definitely slow it down if you need to. And for this song, that'll be really good because the song itself is really, really fast. And I'm going to demo it at full speed, and then I'll be all out of breath because it's a fast one. But for you to practice at home, you might really want to use that little trick to slow it down on YouTube. Okay? So let's go through this from the top. Here we go. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, triple, 3 and 4. Mambo 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Coaster 1 and 2. Turn 3. Drop it down on the 5. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Heel 3 and 4 and 5. 6 and 7 and 8. Step sweep. 2. Coaster step. 5, 6. Let's go again. And 1, 2. A 3 and 4, mambo 5 and 6 and 7, coaster back. 1 and 2, half 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go with the heel, grind and switch and heel, grind and switch and step, sweep, coaster, step, out, out, in, and 1. And you start it again. All right, so we're going to try this with music from the top, and I'm going to do my best not to step on him. I almost did on those heel grinds there. He doesn't seem to care. He just sleeps through these lessons. I'm not sure what that's all about. Let's do this, okay? Here we go. This is called Spicy Margarita, parentheses, shot for shot.
You're my spicy margarita, babe. Burn my tongue.
This is Michael Bublé and Jason Derulo. How's that for you?
Mix it up or give it to me straight. Turn me on.
Here we go.
Make me say.
On 5, 6, 7, 8.
With that curtain cobble, waiting for the cobble. We was going shot for shot like Desperado. Snuck into the bathroom.
Sweep it around.
Problem. I should probably stay away.
Here we go to the top.
Crazy, couldn't even wait for the room. Shaking, trying to keep on true.
And you're my spicy margarita, baby. Burn my tongue, make me shake. Mix it up or give it to me straight. Turn me on,
Sweep it.
make me say.
I ain't just case, you're the only one I want.
You're my spicy margarita, baby. Burn my tongue, make me say.
Morning, sex me in the morning. Pull on a performance. I be going shot for shot. She think I'm Jordan, but she screams a rolling. My ego enormous. Shut everybody, babe. Girl, crazy, couldn't even wait for the room. Shaking, trying to keep on time.
You're my spicy
Here we go.
margarita, baby. Burn my tongue, make me shake. Mix it up or give it to me straight.
So I know it's a very good heel grind, was it?
Make me say.
Sha, taste. You're the only one I want.
You're my spicy margarita, baby. Burn up my make it say.
Is it hot enough? Yeah, it's hot enough. Should I take it off? Yeah, you should take it off. Is it hot enough? Yeah, it's hot enough. Should I take it off? Yeah, you should take it off.
Woo! See, I'm winded. That was fun. So, once again, this is called Spicy Margarita Shot for Shot. I do have an older dance called Spicy Margarita that's a different one that is also on my YouTube channel. So don't get confused between the two. Listen to me, I'm out of breath. And so, if you haven't subscribed, please do. Please like this video, make a comment, I love that. Share it, of course. And remember, in my little statement underneath, I always put the step sheet, so you can also take a look at that. I teach in the Los Angeles area. I would love to see you or talk to you if you're out here, so contact me. And meanwhile, I'll see you on the dance floor. Scully, anything to say? Clearly not. Thanks for coming, you guys.